Hey guys, I'm Faye, and I want to show you my I don't think I can do this. Do my makeup tutorial. So first of all, how to do my hair is I'm going to throw it up into a bun, and so it's all out of my face because my hair is magically not in dreadlocks anymore. And let me show you what all makeup we're going to use for this. All right, so I have a hair band, and then for the makeup, I have black eyeliner, and I have brown eyeliner, or sorry, eyeshadow. I have 2 brushes, black mascara, black eyeliner, and black brow pencil, and my eyeliner, my liquid liner, e.l.f. Right, so first for the hair, I'm just gonna pull it all back. I have my hair band, so I'm going to just wrap it up around, kind of like I'm tying it in a knot in the back. There you go. All right, now we're going to start with brown eyeshadow. And we're just going to take this and we're just going to rub this all over our eye. Just rub it in your eye. Ow. Okay, just rub it. Just keep rubbing it in your eyes. Get in there. All right, okay, and then the other eye. Oh, okay. Okay, and then now we're gonna get a little brush that gets on there real good. And we're just gonna make it really dark all the way around, all the way. Pretend this is in fast motion. The other eye. Ow, ow, ow. So, now we're going to take black eyeliner and we're going to get on, wait, yeah. Ow! Yeah. Get on here. Look how I'm touching my eyeball. Ow. And while you're just poking yourself in the eye, you just rub more eyeshadow on your eye. Oh, wow. And then the other side. It's not going on my waterline at all. So also another thing you could use for this is a mirror or a camera, which is why this is working out so well. Now, as you blink, you're gonna get this eyeliner all over your face. It's gonna smudge and smear and make a big mess when you rub your eyes like this. Now we're going to get the black eyeliner and just put under the bottom. So if you don't look like you're 12, you're gonna look like a heroin addict. Because all right, now we're going to do the liquid liner. Liquid liner. So, do my signature wings. Because liquid liner loves me. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get way here, and then we're gonna bring it back along there. So it gets more. And I'll do the other side. So. And then you're gonna blink. And it's gonna be all over your lid. So now we need to make this even. So we gotta make this on. And then the eyeliner is gonna burn your eyes because it's run into your eyes. And then you're gonna have to smudge it all up again. Oh my gosh, it burns. Can you get me a little piece of toilet paper?
Oh, you're being serious.
Yeah. No, it burns. While we're waiting, go ahead and we'll just go ahead and get this wing out. Just look at that. That's beautiful. This one is kind of fat now, so we're just gonna pretend we can see where that line's going.
Good luck.
That's okay. That's just working for our. So we're just gonna go back later, and we're gonna just fill all this in. All right. So now we gotta go back over top because we gotta get this to match. Okay, now I'm missing a big gop on this side, but I'm missing this dot on this side, so. And if you look, my wings, this one is way too short. And oh, now there we go. Now it's gonna fat like the other one. And then see, this one's gonna. Missing some, so we're gonna just make these, cross our fingers, and we hope these look the same. All right, and now we're waiting for this to dry. We're gonna go ahead and go back with a little more black mascara to set the liquid liner that's now all over our face and down our eyes. Because this is becoming very heroin chic.
Heroin chic.
If you don't have beautiful ivory skin like me, you're gonna just look like you have really big bags under your eyes. So we're just gonna clean that up with our fingers. Oh, yeah, don't close your eyes. I mean, don't open your eyes all the way. Then we're gonna just rub all this in. All right. Oh, and I forgot. Put on my eyebrows. I should have done that first. But there it is. So we're gonna just pencil this in because we don't have a brush to make it look like we have eyebrows. And let me tell you about my chickens. I love my chickens. I don't eat chickens. That's okay. And I'm allergic to everything. But it's okay because my friend Spinky, her husband's a chef, and so if I need treats, she can hook me up. Oh yeah. And now we're gonna brush these mama jammas so they don't look like Sasquatch. I gotta look even because my face is not even on both sides. So now it doesn't look. So that is how you do my makeup tutorial. Thanks, guys.